Hello dear student. So today we will see the topic of water resource engineering, that is most economical channel section. So first of all we must know what do you mean by most economical channel section. So for a given discharge weighted perimeter should be minimum. So that is the condition for most economical channel section. That means dimension should be minimum and discharge should be maximum. So that is the condition for most economical channel section. So why we calculate or why we design the most economical section? So we have to design most economical channel section, that means most economical dimensions of the channel section. Second is to get minimum cost of construction. So cost of construction of the canal must be minimum. For that purpose we have to determine most economical channel section. So for that purpose we have taken one numerical to find most economical section. So our numerical is design trapezoidal channel section. So here most of time we are using trapezoidal channel section instead of rectangular section. So hence we have taken design trapezoidal channel for carrying a 25 meter cube per second discharge. So discharge of canal is 25 meter cube per second. So for this discharge we have to calculate the dimension of economical section. Next, the bed slope of canal is 1 in 1800 and side slope is 1.5:1 and assume C is equal to 50. So that is the given values in the numerical. So we will write one by one. So first is Q. So discharge is given. So discharge is equal to 25 meter cube per second. So this is the discharge. Now bed slope. So bed slope is nothing but S. So S is equal to 1 in 1800. Side slope, that is the value of N. So side slope is equal to 1.5 as to 1. And the value of C is equal to 50. See here, value of C is given. Value of C is given. That means we need to use Chase's formula. C is nothing but Chase's constant. As Chase's constant is given, we have to use Chase's formula. So keep in mind, you have to follow 3 steps here. So in first step, you have to use condition for most economical section. Condition. In second step, you have to calculate the area of channel section. In third, you have to calculate velocity using given formula. Suppose in some numerical you may ask Manning's formula or Manning's constant. So you have to calculate velocity by using Manning constant. In our numerical, Chase's constant is given. That means we have to calculate velocity by using Chase's formula. After that we have to use the formula as discharge is given, Q is equal to area into velocity. So in this equation we will get only one unknown term, B or D. So we can calculate the dimension of the channel section. So first condition for most economical trapezoidal section. So that is equal to most economical, that is equal to half of top width, that is equal to B plus 2ND, half of top width of trapezoidal section. This is the width and we have to use half of top width is equal to sloping side. So sloping side is equal to D into n square plus 1. So this is the sloping side. Okay, this is the half of top width, half of top width is equal to sloping side of trapezoidal section. So here we have to calculate value of B and value of D. That means we have to design the economical section. Okay, so value of N is known to us. So we will just put the value of N here. So B plus 2 into 1.5 D, these two will be on this side, that is 2D. Here 1.5 square plus 1. So we have to just simplify the equation and we have to write this equation in terms of B and D. So B plus 3D, B plus 3D is equal to, we will just calculate. So 1.5 square plus 1 square root of this will be 1.8. So that is 2D into 1.80. So you will get value of B. So that is equal to into 2, that is equal to 3.6 D. So this 3.6 D, here 3D. So 3.6 D minus 3. So that is equal to 0.6. So B is equal to 0.6 D. So this relation that we have to use in later step. Okay. So call this as equation 1. Now we will use second condition. So we have find here condition. Using condition we have determined the relation between B and D. Now second we will find the area. So second, area of channel section, area of trapezoidal section. So area of trapezoidal section will be A is equal to B plus ND into D. B plus ND into D. So here again we will just put the values. So B plus N is equal to here 1.5. N is equal to 1.5. So 1.5 D into D. So what we will do, we will put value of B is equal to 0.60 in this equation. So 0.6D plus 1.5D into D. So if you just add 1.5 plus 0.6, that is equal to 2.1 D square. So value of A is equal to 2.1 D square. Okay. So this is also we required in later step. So call this as equation 2. Now in third step we need to calculate the velocity. So velocity using Chase's formula. So V is equal to C root mi. So what we will do, m is nothing but hydraulic wind depth. So C, we just simplify this, m raised to half and I raised to half. Now we will put the values here. So C is equal to 50. M is nothing but m is nothing but d by 2. For most economical section, this m is equal to d by 2. So m is equal to d by 2 raised to half into I is nothing but slope, that is given here, 1 in 1800. So 1 divided by 1800 raised to half. So just by simplifying we will get, so let us see what we will get here. So we have to just simplify. Okay. So we will simplify in this way. See how we will simplify. So 15 into 0.5 raised to half into 1 upon 1800 raised to half into d raised to half into d raised to half. So just simplifying 50 into 0.5 raised to 0.5 into 1 upon 1800 raised to half. So that is equal to 0.0. So that is equal to 0.833 d raised to half. That is the velocity. So that we require in ladder stage, d raised to half. Now in fourth step, we need to calculate the discharge. So fourth, discharge. So discharge Q is equal to area into velocity. So Q you know that is 25 meter cube, that is given here. Area is equal to 2.1 into d square into velocity is equal to 0.833 d raised to half. So just we have to simplify. So how we will simplify? 25 we will keep as it is. Okay. Then 2.1 into 0.833. 2.1 into 0.833. Okay, so that is equal to 1.749 d raised to, this is the 2 plus this is half. This is 2 plus this is half. So 25 is equal to 1.749 d raised to 5 by 2. 2 and half means 2.5, that is equal to 5 by 2. So we will just simplify the equation. D raised to 5 by 2 is equal to 25 divided by 1.749. So 25 divided by 1.479. So d raised to 5 by 2 is equal to 14.29. So d is equal to 14.29 raised to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Just we have to inverse on opposite side. And hence d is equal to raised to 2 by 5. So d is equal to 2.89 meter. So in this way we have calculated the depth of most economical section. Again we can get value of b. B is equal to, we will use this relation to calculate the b. B is equal to 0.6 d. So we will put value of d 2.89 in this equation. So b is equal to 0.6 into 2.89. So we will get 1.73 meter. So that is the dimensions of most economical trapezoidal section. So thank you very much. Thank you.